Hi everyone, this is Jamie, and for this part of the presentation, I'll be walking you through some key sections of our campaign plan. I'll be discussing the target audiences and strategic partners, key behaviors to promote, sample core messages, and our social marketing mix. So let's start with our target audiences. In social mobilization, one of the first things we ask is who are we really talking to? So for OKKB, our main focus is of course the Filipino youth. Pero hindi lang sila. We group our audiences into three segments, yung primary, secondary, and tertiary. So, sa primary muna tayo. Unang-una sa lahat, yung mga kabataan mismo. Ages 15 to 22 na nasa school and ages 23 to 30 na nasa workplace. So, these are the ones most affected by digital pressures, anxiety, and the challenge of expressing mental health needs. So, ano nga ba yung mga needs nila? Yung mga needs ng primary audience natin ay safe spaces, relatable content, and tools to cope. As for the barriers naman, nandyan pa rin yung stigma, digital addiction, at fear of judgment. Secondary naman natin, ito yung mga trusted adults gaya ng parents, teachers, and mga mentors. These are the people na makakapag-provide ng guidance sa mga kabataan. But sometimes, meron pa ring gap, which can be generational or just a lack of knowledge about mental health. So for OKKB, we aim to help them bridge that gap by equipping them with conversation tools and awareness materials. Tertiary naman, these are the institutions and organizations. Ito yung mga schools, churches, NGOs, and even private companies. These groups often have the power and resources, pero may challenge pa rin sa bureaucracy and budget. That's why we use a strategic policy-driven messaging approach for them. So knowing our target audience is very important kasi 'di ba kahit gaano kaganda yung campaign natin kung hindi natin alam kung sino yung kausap natin, mawa-water down lang yung impact nun. Kaya this segmentation of OKKB helps us speak to each audience in a way they'll understand and respond to. So now that we know who we are talking to, let's move on to the behaviors we want to promote. We narrowed it down to five core actions that we hope the youth will practice both online and offline. So number one is recognize early signs of anxiety and depression. Kasi awareness is the first step to healing. Number two is take breaks from toxic digital spaces. Kasi no, let's be honest, sometimes social media is not helping but rather causing more hurt or distress pa nga. So this behavior promotes setting boundaries. Number three is open up and seek help from trusted people. Vulnerability is strength, and OKKB wants to normalize reaching out. Number four, participate in online communities that promote mental health. So, we're not just scrolling sa feed natin, no? We're connecting meaningfully. And finally, use tech positively. Journaling apps, prayer prompts, mindfulness tools, we help youth to turn tech into a tool for growth, not destruction. And moving on, let's go deeper with messaging. Kasi even the best idea won't work kung hindi tama yung pagkakasabi or yung pagkakadeliver. So we crafted tailored messages for each audience group. So for the youth, ang message namin ay, you are not alone, your mind matters. Very simple, direct, and assuring. We want to reframe social media as a space for support. For trusted adults naman, ang message namin ay the digital world is their world. Let's help them navigate it. So, it acknowledges the gap but also invites adults to step in with compassion. For institution naman, ang message natin ay mental health is community health. So this line encourages action through policies, programs, and institutional culture. So for faith-based leaders naman, ang message natin ay faith and mental health go hand in hand. Healing is part of discipleship. So dito natin pinapasok yung core ng campaign, faith, which is yung faith integration. We want to make the church a place of support and not silence. So these messages aren't one size fits all. They're adaptable depending on tone, platform, and who we're engaging with. So now let's talk about the four P's of social marketing, which is yung product, price, place, and promotion. So here's how we applied that to OKKB. So for product, we're offering a safe space to talk about mental health. It's a movement that encourages youth to care for each other and for themselves. For price naman, totally free, walang bayad ang healing. And we make sure na all materials, webinars, and guides are accessible to all. For place naman, we go where the youth are, which is yung digital space, yung Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and also the churches and the schools. So the point is, hindi na sila kailangan lumayo para makakuha ng tulong. Tayo na yung lalapit sa kanila. So for promotion, we're not just posting, but we're connecting. So gagamit tayo ng memes, reels, devotionals, even Spotify playlist, and even a digital detox challenge to inspire conversation. So imagine, no, instead of just saying, okay ka ba as a polite greeting, we turn it into a real moment of check-in and care. And that's all for me. Thank you all for listening. And to walk us through the material development, I'll now turn you over to my groupmate, Princess.